Recently, users have been facing this issue that when they check the stories in Instagram app, it either shows the story is unavailable or no longer available. This also happens when someone shares story or reel in the DMs. We're going to show you why this happens and if you can fix this problem from your Samsung or any other Android phone. Now, this happens when someone changed their story privacy settings just like this, or for some reason if they deleted the story, and also if the story is auto-deleted for copyright issues. And then the story section is just showing a cached black screen of that deleted content. Same goes if story is shared via DM. Another reason, because the stories are time-based, it'll disappear. If you think that's not the issue and if this is happening to your own story, just force quit the app and then re-enter again. If that didn't work, make sure your internet is fast and stable. Also, if you're using a VPN, just turn it off. This also happens if the app is outdated, so make sure you are using an up-to-date Instagram app. And apart from that, huge amount of cache and cookies might cause this problem as well. So tap and hold on your Insta icon. From info to storage, just clear cache of your Instagram app. If none of this helped you, don't worry. Just log out of your account. From your profile to this 3-line, scroll down and log out of your Instagram app. And after a while, just re-log into your account again. If you're still facing the same problem, probably for some glitch or bug, whatever device you're using, just restart it once. And after the restart, if there is no Instagram server issue in your location, your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.